Hi everybody, my name's Michelle Vassallo from Rhythm Massage Development and Education. This little clip that I'm filming today is going to be number 2 or tip number 2 in the series Be the Best Massage Therapist That You Can Be, which will be coming up on my Facebook page, Rhythm Massage Development and Education. Within this series, I'm going to be talking about ways to get and maintain a healthy client base using some really easy and simple and tried and tested tips and tricks that I was using and have been using in my massage therapy business for the last 17 years. The second tip, which is the one that we're going to be doing today, is pretty basic and simple, but it's something that we often overlook as massage therapists. We're often too busy and so concerned with thinking about what our client's thinking about and what they're feeling that we forget to concentrate on what we like about massage ourselves. And so my second top trick or tip is to give the massage that you would like to receive. Everybody who's a massage therapist has had massage before. And if you haven't, you probably should have if you're a massage therapist, but I digress. So what are the things that you really like about receiving massage? What are the strokes that you like? What's the speed that you like? What are the types of massage techniques that you like to have used on you? And think about how they feel for you in terms of receiving. So giving a great massage often comes down to giving the type of massage that as a client on the table you would like to receive. Because sometimes when we're doing something and we've had the experience of having that done to us, once we've experienced receiving it, often it'll make our practical application of it better. So learning something, it's always great to go and have the experience of receiving whatever it is you're learning in order for you to understand not only how it feels to give it, but also how it feels to receive it. And so the best part about, for example, in my massage world, I really love slow, not deep tissue massages. I love lymphatic drainage and relaxation massages. So sometimes when I was massaging, I'd refer back to the things that really worked for me and the things that I loved. And I'd apply that to my clients. And more often than not, the fact that you're applying what you like in the massage room to receive lends authenticity to your technique. And again, there's that ineffable connection between the client and the practitioner, but authenticity and being who you are and who you want to be in the massage room will make the clients understand that you love what you do and also connect you into that space. Sorry, that's my cat in the background. So that's my number 2 top 10 or top sort of 10 or 12, however many I decide to do, trick, and that is to give the massage that you would like to receive, because that will lend authenticity to the process of delivering the massage for you. If you haven't already jumped over to my website, jump over to rhythmmassage.com.au and register yourself to become a subscriber to my newsletter, because like I've said previously, I send out newsletters about once a month, and sometimes there's offers and things in there that you would probably like to receive that you won't find if you're just on the Facebook page. So jump into rhythmmassage.com.au, set yourself up with a username and a password. That'll enter you onto my master list, and then you'll be able to also receive newsletters, extra information, tips and tricks and discounts from time to time that I apply to the online store and also for the classroom experiences. In the meantime, take care out there and enjoy what you do, and I'll see you with my number 3 top tip for being the best massage therapist you can be really soon. It's over and out from me. Bye.